Hello again and welcome to our third tutorial on Grade A Academy. Today we're going to look at change of subject of a relation. This is a very important topic that we all need to know how to manipulate with variables to be able to make a subject of a relation. So if we have y equals to a plus b, then y is called the subject because it is standing alone. We can be asked to find a or make a the subject or express a in terms of the other quantities. And all that means makes a or let a stand alone. That is all you need to know. Let a stand alone. So in the above analysis, I'm going to make A the subject of each of them. It doesn't really matter. It can be make B the subject, C the subject, D the subject, V the subject. But all we need to know is how to manipulate to make A stand alone. That's the important thing. So in this analysis, I will make A the subject, and then similar questions you can solve without any problem. So let's start with the first one, that we have y is equal to a plus b. Here we want a, so let's say send b across or subtract b. Subtract b from both sides. If we do that, then you are going to have y minus b is equal to a, and you are done. You have made a the subject, or a equals y minus b. Some may prefer doing it this way. Y equals to a plus b. What I do is you subtract b from here and you subtract b from here. Then you see that this b cancels that. This side is going to be b. Then you see that you have what? Y minus b equals to a. Whichever way you do, that is perfect. It's correct. So we have made a the subject. Now let's go to number 2, and we want to find if it is rather y is equal to b minus a. Then what do? We're looking for a. So first of all, we have to add a to both sides. So we say add a to both sides, and if I do that, this one is going to give me plus a here and also plus a here. So we have this a cancels out, and we have y plus a is equal to b. But we're not looking for b, we want a. So we have to subtract y. So we subtract y from both sides, and you are going to have a is equal to b minus y. And that is how we are able to manipulate with it. So let's say I have a third one. How about number 3? Let me bring out more space. So if we have number 3, then we have y is equal to a times b. Because it is multiplication, we divide. So we are going to divide by b, divide by b, both sides. So if I divide here by b, here too by b, this cancels out. So you have y over b is equal to a. We have made a the subject. Number 4, we want to find if it is y is equal to a over b. This time, we're going to multiply each step or each side by the denominator. So multiply by denominator. That is each step, denominator. So if I multiply here by b, and I multiply here too by b, so you see that the b here will cancel that. Then we have b times y is equal to a, and you are done. We're looking for a. How about if it is this way rather? Number 5, if it is rather y is equal to b over a, we'll go by the same way. Multiply by the denominator to make it a straight line, easy to do. So you multiply here by a, and you multiply here also by a. This A cancels that. We have A times Y is equal to B. Here this is B is the subject, but we don't want B. We want A. So what do? Divide both sides by Y. So we're going to divide by Y. So I divide here by Y and divide here by Y. This Y cancel that. A is equal to B over Y. Okay, number 6, we have Y is equal to AX. Let me erase this. Y equals AX plus B. We want A, so let's subtract B from both sides. So if I subtract B, I have Y minus B is equal to AX. And now that I'm looking for A, I'll divide by X. So divide here by X, and you divide this one to by X. This one will cancel that. So we have Y minus B over X is equal to A. Okay, wonderful. If you want, you can decide to write this as Y alone over X and B alone 2 over X. But this is good enough. So if I do that, I'll have Y alone over X and B alone over X. And because this is 1 over X, this is also 1 over X, you can write it as 1 over X, and then you have Y minus B left. This is not necessary, but for multiple choice questions, maybe this will be the final answer. In your theory, you leave it at this side and you are very good to go. Okay, then if we have number 7, we have Y is equal to AX divided by B. So this time we multiply by the denominator as before. So if I multiply here by B, I'm multiplying here to by B, this will cancel that. So we have B times Y is equal to AX. We're looking for A, so we divide. If I divide here by X, I'll divide here to by X. This will cancel that. So we have BY over X is equal to A. And we have made A the subject of the relation. A couple more, so let's go to number 8. Let me add some more space. Number 8. So if we have number 8, we have Y is equal to BX over A. Just like before, you multiply by the denominator, this one by A and this one to by A. This cancels out. So we have A times Y is equal to BX. Now we divide by Y because we're looking for A. Divide here by Y, divide here by Y. This one will cancel, Y will cancel Y. A is equal to BX over Y. And let's say number 9. Next one, number 9. We have Y is equal to AB plus AC. This is very important. For this one, we cannot send across. You can't subtract anything because there is A here and there is A here. So we have to bring out A. It's called factorize or factor out. Factorize the right hand side. If you do like this, it's standard. You don't need to spell it out. In math, that is accepted. So you have Y equals, bring A outside, then you now left with B plus C. Now we can divide. Anytime there's multiplication, you divide. So I'm going to divide here by B plus C, and then you divide here too by B plus C. This cancels that. So you have Y over B plus C is equal to A. And we have made A the subject of the relation. So that is how we make subject of a relation for the first part. We will leave the second part to continue later so that you master this, you practice and get to know how to make the subject of a relation. In the next video, we'll continue with the different types of questions that you will encounter in the exams. So thanks for watching, and please look out for the next video.